Hello everyone, I am Pradipta Bagaria and this is my investment journal. My typical day starts with some exercise to keep me fit, cooking breakfast for my family, taking my daughter to school and managing my business. I also manage my own portfolio. I have been investing for more than 10 years and I prefer investing in mutual funds. I'm not a direct equity investor, but the bull market after the March 2020 really caught my attention. Like everyone else, I wondered if I should start investing in direct equity. However, I do not have a strategy, so I started looking out for strategy that can outperform Nifty 500 index over a period of 5 years. During the summer of 2021, I came across an interesting fund launched by UTI Mutual Fund. It was called UTI Nifty 200 Momentum 30 Index Fund. I had never heard about this momentum index before. I researched about its past track record and its methodology. The momentum index checked all my requirements. It had outperformed Nifty 500 index by more than 5% per annum. The methodology made sense and was easy to execute. I felt that this could be a great starting point. I made several adaptations to the momentum index methodology to suit my preferences. For instance, I increased the investment universe from 200 to 500 stocks. Also, instead of rebalancing the entire portfolio twice a year, I decided to rebalance 1/12 of the portfolio every month. While developing my strategy, I thought that I should maintain video logs of my investments. This will serve as a record for later reference and help me to share my work with you. By the end of August 2021, after 9 iterations, my strategy was ready for deployment. On one hand, I was excited about starting something new. On the other hand, I was nervous because outperforming Nifty 500 is not easy, even for fund managers. Despite the apprehensions, I decided to take the plunge. When I started my portfolio, Thunderbolt, I faced some challenges. First challenge was finding and updating the data regularly. In order to ensure the quality of data, I used the stock exchange websites as a data source. This is a laborious and painstaking process. There is scope for human error while feeding and analyzing the data. Second challenge was the direct equity investing demanded a lot of discipline. Regardless of what is happening with you in your personal life, you have to keep moving. There is no room for excuses. You have to be on top of your game all the time. Clock is ticking, money is rolling, and you can't miss a beat. Third challenge was portfolio tracking. With direct equity investing, your portfolio is generally spread across more than 50 stocks. I had to monitor each stock for corporate actions like rights issue, buybacks, trading suspension, etc. I have been a mutual fund investor for most of my life. I hadn't faced any of these challenges while investing in mutual funds. Over time, however, I got used to the demanding nature of direct equity investing and was able to perform my task more efficiently. After all that groundwork, it was time to start investing. I made my first investment on 1st September 2021. I had to invest rupees 2.5 lakh every month based on just a simple algorithm. I benchmarked the performance of Thunderbolt against 3 indices. Nifty 200 Momentum 30 Index, which helped me develop my strategy, Nifty 500 Index, which I wanted to outperform over a period of 5 years, and Nifty 50 Index, which is a popular equity benchmark. Passive indices have a solid track record of wiping the most renowned fund managers. I was just a newbie. Looking at the 3 indices, it felt as if it was over even before it started. I decided to simply stick to my strategy. I kept investing rupees 25,000 in 10 stocks every month and maintained my video logs. To my surprise, Thunderbolt got off to a great start. It took off in style by outperforming all the 3 benchmarks. I was all excited, but things turned on 24th Feb 2022 when Russia attacked Ukraine. Since the start of the war, the outperformance of Thunderbolt kept shrinking and soon turned into underperformance. Due to rising inflation and interest rates, momentum stocks started underperforming the old economy stocks like oil and gas. Around this time, Thunderbolt had lost more than 3 lakhs rupees. Thunderbolt helped me realize that not all momentum stocks are the same. Even within momentum stocks, there are subtypes. For example, there can be momentum stocks with high volatility or low volatility. There can be momentum stocks with high beta or low beta. With 1 year track record, now I have some precious data and experience to get a better understanding of these subtypes. As on the end of recording this video, that is 28th August 2022, Thunderbolt is at a loss of rupees 4,662. Here are the details of each investment. Thunderbolt underperformed all the 3 benchmarks. It underperformed Nifty 500 by rupees 1.58 lakhs, Nifty 50 by rupees 1.38 lakhs and Nifty Momentum Index by rupees 40,000. After a year of investing, I can't say that I have mastered the game, but I definitely feel a lot more comfortable investing in stocks directly now. While Thunderbolt could not outperform Nifty 500 this year, I am not giving up on it yet. I will give it one more shot for another year and see how it performs. That's all for now. It's time for me to pick up my daughter from her friend's house. See you in season 2.